What makes you special as public health youth ambassadors is that with the training you have received, you are now equipped with skills to help advance health literacy in your community and serve as trusted sources of public health information and practice for your families, your peers, and community in ways that the health department could never achieve on its own.
Today we're celebrating students from not only Mount Vernon High School, but from also Justice High School that have completed the Public Health Youth Ambassador Program.
The dream that I wish upon all of you is be all you can be, come back, and be positive and productive force for others.
The Public Health Youth Ambassador Program is a very unique program, specifically geared for students of color in Fairfax County, centered around public health specifically, but it's a program that we utilize a curriculum from Morehouse College of Medicine. It is 161 hours, 70 of which are practicum hours, or actual field experience, a very robust curriculum, 20 modules in that curriculum, and the kids have all done a wonderful job. These students are amazing.
My project was on raising awareness for polycystic kidney disease. So my presentation kind of goes through things such as the symptoms, treatment, signs, and how it's also diagnosed.
So the project I work on, it's called Disability Visibility Project. And so it focuses on making the community more accessible for people with disabilities, and also helping advocate for healthcare for disabled people.
One of the things is in completion of this pilot program is that they will get a $500 scholarship, and then they will also receive a laptop and a certificate actually from a medical college that they can use towards their college applications or even job applications. In the future, you'll see we're going to have an enhanced mentorship part of this program where we're engaging health professionals to actually engage in one-on-one and in group mentoring experiences for the young people as part of this program. The other thing is to create a bridge through an apprenticeship program, and you'll hear more about that. So those that are graduating, particularly seniors, can move from this program to another program if they're interested that actually provides apprenticeship opportunities. We all do better when we can see what we want to be in our presence.